Yeah, as a dualist, I've often been, I don't know if I worry about it, but I think it's an interesting point. Can the dualist give an account of the causal interaction between the soul and its physical body? Descartes, I think, took it as a primitive. He couldn't develop any type of account, and maybe it is just some type of ultimate relationship that the soul has with its body that we can't explicate in any way. I'm comfortable with that myself, but I do puzzle about it. It's a real issue for me, and can any more be said, or really anything be said about it?